Hi everyone, this is topic number 1 for math revision series for grade 10 advanced. Now I will tell you one trick for solving rational expression and that will make your life so easy, okay? Trust me. So question number 13 for this one, you have x minus 3 multiply with x plus 6 over x square plus x minus 12. Now you have to simplify this rational expression. So what do you mean by simplify rational expression? It means you will have to factor it out and you will need to write it in simplest factors. Okay. So what is the term that you will have to factor? You have to factor this term here, the denominator. And how will you factor? So if you are going to think, then that might take time. So let's do something. Let's select the equation here. If you have different calculator, then find the equation. If you have this type of calculator, then you can just select the equation and alpha a, right? Now you have to select polynomial equation, degree 2, and here a is 1, okay? Now b is equal, b is also 1, and c is minus 12. Because this is your quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c. If you compare here, a is nothing but 1. When nothing is there, then 1. Bx, so b is also 1, plus c is negative 12 here, so I just put negative 12. Press equal, x1 equal 3, x2 equal minus 4. So these are your solutions. Okay, remember that these are your solution. So what will I do? I will just write again x minus 3, x plus 6 over, now my solution was x plus 3, right? So I will write x minus 3, and this is x minus 4, so I will write x plus 4. That's it. If you can do this, you can factor all of the rational expression and simplify them very easily. Okay, if it is, this is your solution, so it is minus 4. In the factor form, it will be x plus 4. If it is plus 3, in the factor form, it will be x minus 3. That's it. Now you can see what are the common terms here, what you can cancel out. So you can cancel out x minus 3, and that's it. X minus 6 over x plus 4. That is your answer. That's how you will do it. Now see, it was so simple. Now I have explained how to use the calculator. Now let's do this more quickly because we have to do so many questions. We have to do 13 to 23. Oh wow, that's too many questions now. So question number 14, y square multiply with y square plus 2 over 2y, y minus 4, y plus 4. Let me just quickly help you in this also. Now what you will do here, again use your calculator, quadratic equation, right? Now we don't need all that, so I will just skip. Okay, now in this case a is 1 again, okay, b is 3, so 3 equal, c is plus 2, so 2 equal, press equal, x1 is negative 1, x2 is negative 2. So these are the solutions. So what you will write in the factor, you will write plus 1 plus 2. So let's do that quickly. You will get y plus 1, y plus 2, right? And that is 2y, y minus 4. Okay, this term is not plus 4, this is plus 2 actually. Typing error, y plus 2. Okay, now this is y power 2, so that will cancel. Let me use a different color, y power 2, so this y will cancel. Y plus 2 will cancel. In the simplified form, you have y multiply y plus 1 over 2 multiply y minus 4. That's it. That's how you do it. Okay, let's go to the next question now. Okay, this one is different type. I have already wrote down the question. Now here you see that x square minus 9, x square minus z square. you have to use one simple formula, a square minus b square. What is it? This is a minus b, a plus b. So if you have x square minus 9, that is basically x square minus 3 square. So that will give you x minus 3 multiply x plus 3. Similarly here, x square minus z square, that will give you x minus z multiply x plus z, right? Now substitute here. If you see x plus z and x minus 3 will cancel out, so let me just quickly write down everything, and that will give you x minus z, x plus z over 4, and you can clearly see now what we can cancel, right? You can x minus 3, x minus 3, x plus z, x plus z. So your answer is x plus 3 multiply with x minus z over 4. That is your simplified answer. Now the next question is question number 16. Now in this question we have to use both the method that we have learned just now. So x square minus 64, what it will give you? X square minus 64 is nothing but x square minus 8 square. That will give you x minus 8 multiply x plus 8, right? And now these two we can factor using the calculator. So let's do that. And that is, okay, here we go. In this case, x1 is 1. Oh, wait. Yeah. Okay, a is 1, b is negative 16, equals c is 64. Now that is giving x, one is 8 and another is, what have I done? Okay, this is 1 negative 16 plus 64, right? Okay, 8 and 8. Okay, good. We are getting 8 and 8. So this is positive 8. So what will be the factor? That will be the x minus 8 multiply x minus 8. In the numerator we have x minus 2 also. By factoring this we got x minus 8 multiply x plus 8. Now we have to factor this also. Let's try for this. So now you know, right, like how simple it is. Now here a is 1. Now wait, okay, a is 1, b is minus 6 and c is negative 16. Good. So now this one is, again, this is giving you 8 and negative 2. So x minus 8 and x plus 2, right? These are your factors. Now let's see what we can cancel here. X minus 8 cancel. This is also cancelled. Anything else? Nope, that's it. So x minus 2 over x plus 8 multiply x minus 2. That will be your final simplified expression. You can also try by yourself if I miss something, because you know I'm trying to do it fast. So if I miss any minus plus, then it will change your answer. Let's move on to the next one. Now this is your question number 17. This one is very easy. What you can do is you can just cancel this x here. You can factor this, and when you will factor this you will get, let me just quickly do it now. You can try with the calculator. I'm doing it. That will give you x plus 5 and x minus 4. When you will factor this, you will get these two. X minus 4 will cancel. So x plus 2 over 6 times x plus 5. That will be your answer. Okay. You can factor that using the calculator now. Okay, this is your question number 18. Now again in this one, what you will do is this y will be simply cancelled, and 15 is 5 multiply 3, so 5 will be remaining here. And now these two you can factor using the calculator and then try to simplify. You will get your answer. Okay, right, there is no problem. Just use the factor them using the calculator and you will get your answer. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, so in this question number 19, you have to find for which value of x this expression is undefined. So how you will do it? Again, first of all, you will factor it, and to do that, you will use the calculator. So let's move on to our good calculator. So here we need to factor this one using calculator. So a is 1, b is -7, c is plus 12, equal x1 is 4, x2 is 3. These are your solutions. So x1 was plus 4, so that will give you -4 as factor, and that is -3. And if I factor this one, this is nothing but, I told you, right, a square minus b square. So x square minus 36 is 6 square. That will give you x minus 6 multiply x plus 6, right? In the numerator we have x minus 3 multiply x plus 6, which we don't care right now. Now you have to find all values of x for which this expression is undefined. So what are those all values? So x equal 4, x equal 3, x equal 6, and x equal -6. For all these values, the function will be undefined. What do you mean by that? If I put x equal 0, x equal 4, so that is 4 minus 4, that will make it 0. 0 multiply this is everything is 0. And 1 over 0 is undefined. Anything over here over 0 will be undefined, right? So that's it. So these are the values 4, 3, 6, -6. Now don't do this mistake here, that what you will do, you will cancel them first and then you will find the values. No, if you do that, you will get the wrong answer. So what you have to do is, you have to factor the denominator, and that's it. Factor the denominator, see what are the values of x, and those are the values for which expression will be undefined. So x is equal, x values 4, 3, 6, -6. These are the four values for which the expression will be undefined. Now if you look at question number 20, what is the problem here? You can factor the numerator easily using the calculator. Now this is not written in the standard form, so first you need to write this in the standard form. X square minus 5x minus 14, same as it is. Now in this one I will write minus x square plus 3x plus 28, right? This is your standard form. Now you just have to factor it. Or if you want to make it more simplified form, then what you will do is just write it same as it is. Take minus outside, use brackets, x square minus 3x, change the inside sign, this plus will become minus, and that will be minus 28. So this minus sign you can keep it out, okay, and you can factor it from here. So let's do this question, and yep, let's move on to our beautiful calculator that is helping us a lot. Okay, now numerator, x1, a is 1, b is 5, c is -14, and my solutions are x minus 2, and the next one is x minus 7, so that will give me plus 7. I have taken that negative sign outside, so I'm writing negative sign here now to make it look like proper. And again, for this one now, a is 1, not -1, okay, don't do that mistake. And b is -3, c is -28, and equal. Okay, x1 is 7, x2 is -4. So x1 was 7, so that will give us plus 7. Oh, that was 7, right? So that will give us -7. And this is -4, so this will give me plus 4. Let me cross check again. That was giving us -7, right? Yep, that's how you do it. Now let me do one thing. Let me try from here, okay? Can we cancel something out? So what I will do now in this case, now I will take it as it is, okay? I will not take the negative sign here from outside. I will take -1. So a is -1, B is plus 3, and C is plus 28. Now let's try. In this case also x1 is 7 and x2 is minus 4. Okay, will that not make any difference? Minus 1 plus 3 plus 28. Good. So that is not making any difference on the factors. Good. Okay, so in that case also we will get the same answer, right? So, yep, that's it. Can we cancel anything out here? No, we cannot. So that's your final answer. That's how you do it. If I miss any sign, just cross check again while doing it by yourself. But basically what you have to do is you just have to write in the standard form. This step was important. This was important here. After that, if you do this one or not, that's all up to you. But that will make difference because I'm taking this negative sign, so that will make overall difference in the solution. Okay, so let's better you do by my way. That will not give you any wrong answers. Okay, I will prefer to take it minus outside, and I will write in this standard form. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Enough chit chat. Okay, now question number 21. What you will do here, you will take out x squared as common factor in the numerator. So x is inside minus 9. We can write it like this. The common factor in the numerator here is x squared. So x squared outside, what is remaining here? Only x is remaining, x minus 9. Now factor this using the calculator. So let's move on to the calculator. Dear calculator, a is 1, b is, okay, b is 3 or minus 3? Okay, minus 3. b is minus 3, and c is minus 54, negative 54 you call it. X1 is 9 and x2 is minus 6 or negative 6. So x1 was 9, so that will give you plus 9. Okay, let me cross check. And x2 is minus 6, so that will give me plus 6. Right, that's what we got. Let me just cross check again, double cross check. Okay, 9 and minus 6. Good. So that's what we will get. Can we cancel out anything here? No, I don't see anything we can cancel out. Okay, so that's it for this question. Okay, correction time. In this question we got x1 was 9 and x2 was minus 6. So here that will give you minus 9, right? So that will be cancelled out. And this will give you x squared over x plus 6. So I think this is this error we have done in the previous question also. Let me quickly cross check because I cannot go back now. Now that was x squared minus 5x minus 14 over 28 plus 3x minus x squared. Again x squared minus 5x minus 14, and that will be negative x squared plus 3x plus 28, right? Now let's use the calculator, so I'm using it. Okay, for the numerator we had, this is 1, negative 5, negative 14. So yeah, this is what mistake I did. Now this is 7, right? So that will give you negative 7. I think in the denominator I did not change the sign. So correction mode, that will give you x plus 2. Now the below one we have, now in this one let's do the same method again, negative as outside, or else you will say, Mr. now you changed. So x squared minus 3x minus 28. I took negative outside. I told you already what I did. Now this one, a is 1, b is negative 3, and c is negative 28, right? And that's where I did the mistake. So let me just quickly write again, negative x minus 7, x plus 2, over, that is x minus 7. I saw it x equals 7 and somehow I didn't process it, so that will give you minus 4, so that is plus 4, right? This will be cancelled and your answer will be negative x plus 2 over x plus 4. So just don't do these kind of silly mistakes. I will call it a silly mistake because sometimes because I'm trying to do it as quickly as possible, so I just missed the sign. So don't miss the sign. If we miss the sign, we get the wrong answer. Okay, question number 22, x minus 4, and that is x squared plus 2x minus 48 over 36 minus x squared plus 4x minus 32. So what will I do? Again, I will just factor. And how will I factor? I will leave it same as it is. And now factor this. Two factors we will go get in the numerator. And here take minus outside. So I will factor this as x minus 6, x plus 6. We have done this many times, so I'm not going to explain that one. I've taken minus outside, and that is x squared minus 6 squared basically. So x minus 6, x plus 6. And again we will get two factor for denominator, this one. So let's do that quickly. Okay, this is it. Here we are. AC, now reset. A is 1, B is 2, C is negative 48, and that will give you one factor is x minus 6. So don't do that mistake. This is plus 6, change it to minus 6. That is minus 8, so that will give you x plus 8. In the denominator, let's move on to the denominator. AC, reset. X is, A is 1, B is 4, C is negative 32. So first solution is 4, so I will write it as negative 4. Second is negative 8, so I will write it as plus 8, right? I hope this time I have taken all the signs properly. And now let's just cross check. Can we cancel anything out? X minus 4, x minus 4, x minus 6, x minus 6. Okay, now most of the things have been cancelled out. In the numerator, nothing, so 1 over x plus 6. That's your answer. Move on to the next question. Okay, last question of this video. In this one, again negative outside, write it as c square minus 16 over c square plus c minus 20. That is nothing but c square minus 4 square, right? So c minus 4 over, c minus 4 multiplies c plus 4. So just place the values. C minus 4 multiply c plus 4. Am I missing anything? Don't forget this sign, negative sign. Okay, and factor this. So that will be c plus 5 minus 4, right? Plus 5 minus 4. So c plus 5, c minus 4. If you don't know this method, I'm not gonna discuss that in this video. So let's just use the calculator to show you what I have done. A is 1, B is 1, C is negative 20. Right? This is your quadratic equation. So A is 1, B is 1, C is negative 20. You get plus 4, so that will be changed to minus 4. That's what I did. Yes. And negative 5, that we will change to plus 5. Good. Now cancel terms. What we will cancel this. We will get negative c plus 4 over c plus 5. That's it for this video. It was a long one because I've tried to solve all the questions, and if you understand all the questions, and if there was question that you understood, you can skip it, move fast forward, because you need to see the steps anyway, right? At some point if you find it difficult, then you can listen to me, or else You can just move forward and play it in the fast mode also if you want to. So that's it for this video, and see you in the next one.